Anzû, the celestial bird of Mesopotamian mythology, also known as Zu or Depicted, is a fascinating figure from ancient Mesopotamian mythology. This mythological creature is often depicted as a massive bird with the head of a lion, and it plays a significant role in the religious and literary traditions of the Sumerians, Akkadians, and Babylonians. Anzu stories reflect the complex interplay between chaos and order, power and rebellion, and divine authority in Mesopotamian thought. Origins and depictions. Anzu's origins can be traced back to Sumerian mythology, where he is known as Depicted. The creature is often depicted as a lion-headed eagle, symbolizing a powerful and fearsome presence. In Akkadian and Babylonian traditions, Anzu retains these characteristics, embodying the same blend of avian and leonine features. Anzu's iconography typically includes the wings, talons, and beak of an eagle, combined with the mane and head of a lion. This hybrid appearance emphasizes Anzu's role as a formidable and otherworldly being, capable of exerting significant influence over the natural and divine realms. The myth of Anzu and the Tablet of Destiny's own of the most well-known myths involving Anzu centers around the Tablet of Destinies, a powerful artifact that grants its possessor control over the universe. In this myth, Anzu serves as the guardian of the tablet, which belongs to the chief god Enlil. However, Anzu becomes tempted by the power of the tablet and decides to steal it, thus challenging the divine order. Anzu's theft of the Tablet of Destinies throws the cosmos into chaos, disrupting the natural order and causing alarm among the gods. In response, the gods convene and ultimately choose the hero god Ninurta to retrieve the tablet and restore balance. Ninurta engages in a fierce battle with Anzu, eventually defeating the creature and returning the tablet to its rightful place. This myth highlights themes of rebellion, power, and the restoration of order, reflecting the broader Mesopotamian worldview, in which the cosmos is continually subject to divine oversight and intervention. Anzu in religious and cultural context. Anzu's significance extends beyond mythological narratives, as the creature also appears in various religious and cultural contexts. In some texts, Anzu is associated with the god of thunderstorms and agriculture, symbolizing the dual nature of these forces as both life-giving and destructive. Anzu's presence in hymns, prayers, and incantations underscores the creature's importance in the religious life of ancient Mesopotamians. Additionally, Anzu's mythological role as a guardian and challenger of divine authority highlights the complex relationships between gods, heroes, and cosmic order in Mesopotamian thought. Anzu's rebellion and subsequent defeat serve as a reminder of the delicate balance between chaos and order, as well as the necessity of divine intervention to maintain harmony. Modern interpretations and legacy of Anzu continues to captivate modern scholars and enthusiasts of ancient mythology. Anzu's stories provide valuable insights into the religious beliefs, cultural values, and literary traditions of ancient Mesopotamia. The creature's hybrid nature and symbolic significance offer a rich tapestry of themes and motifs for exploration and interpretation. In contemporary popular culture, Anzu occasionally appears in literature, video games, and other media, often as a symbol of chaos, rebellion, and the struggle for power. These modern adaptations demonstrate the enduring appeal and relevance of Anzu's mythological narrative, as well as the timeless fascination with the interplay between order and disorder. Conclusion. Anzu, also known as Dio or Imdu, remains a compelling figure in the mythology of ancient Mesopotamia. As a lion-headed eagle and the guardian of the Tablet of Destinies, Anzu's stories reflect the intricate dynamics of power, rebellion, and divine authority. The myth of Anzu and the Tablet of Destinies, along with the creature's cultural and religious significance, continues to inspire and intrigue, offering a glimpse into the rich and complex world of Mesopotamian mythology.